Welcome back to the Bright Light Wellness YouTube channel. I am so excited that you are here with me today. Today, I want to talk about an interesting topic. This one's kind of challenging for people to wrap their heads around, but I want to talk about the absence of acute illness and fever and why that's a sign of chronic disease. You might be saying, wait, what? I don't get sick. This means I'm healthy, right? This is a good sign, right? I never get sick. This means I'm healthy. I haven't had a fever in years. I haven't had any acute in years. Acute means like, a stomach virus or a UTI or an ear infection or a strep throat or whatever. Acute is, an acute that, a short-term illness that your body has to get over, right? This is great. I haven't had a fever. I haven't been sick, right? This is amazing. Actually, it's the opposite. This actually is a sign that most likely that your immune system is so shut down and so suppressed that your body is not able to elicit a strong enough response when it comes in contact with pathogenic bacteria or just pathogens in general or toxins in general. Our body should elicit a response. Symptoms are always the healing. A body that has no symptoms, this is actually a concern for me because this means the immune system is so shut down, the vital force is so suppressed that it's now unable actually to respond. When your body has a symptom, that means it's responding, it's alive, it's healthy, it's strong, it's vital. This is good. We want our body to respond, okay? When our body's not responding, this is scary, okay? It's funny, I heard a doctor just say, when they worked in the medical, emergency room hospitals, if the patients who were, critically ill, who were having a lot of symptoms, always had a better prognosis and they were less concerned. The patients who, were not exhibiting any symptoms of this chronic disease, they were concerned, or the acute illness, they were more concerned, right? Your body should mount a response. This is this shows that your immune system is strong and vital and healthy. It's fighting, it's putting up a fight, right? It needs to do that. That's what the immune system is supposed to do, right? Now, this should happen. I don't know. It shouldn't. Now, yeah, we shouldn't have like tons of, symptoms every day. That's chronic disease. That's different. What I mean, though, is your body should, when exposed to pathogenic bacteria, toxins in our environment, our immune system should mount a response. And this could be from getting one of these, immune system should mount a response in a healthy way. This could be from being exposed to some sort of, pathogenic bacteria. Excuse me. And the response should, this kind of fever response or this cold and flu response should kind of happen about once a year, I would say, maybe twice a year. And it shouldn't be quick. It should be kind of quick and it shouldn't be lingering on for weeks and weeks and weeks. This is a problem. But a healthy body is going to have this kind of response about once or twice a year. They're going to get a strong acute with a fever over 101.3 or higher, a high fever, and this will burn the pathogens and toxins in our system. This is what the body's meant to do. The reason why your body mounts a fever is the body heats up. It creates all this infrared. It creates more easy water. Your immune system gets an upgrade. Your mitochondria get an upgrade. And it fights off the crap that doesn't belong there. And this should happen literally 1 to 2 times a year, okay? So when we stop getting fevers and acute, this means that our system is so suppressed and it's so busy dealing with the chronic disease that it doesn't have the capacity to even like worry about acutes. Like it's like too busy dealing with your diabetes or your, cancer. People who have cancer never get acute illnesses. It's too busy dealing with the chronic diseases that you have, that your body's like, I cannot handle one more thing. This is just too much. I need to back up. I can't respond. I'm too stressed and I'm also too suppressed from things like this. Medications, antibiotics, whatever you're taking, this all suppresses the immune system. Okay. So it doesn't mount a response to acute illness. It just kind of accumulates things also. If your body's not having this once a year fever response or like flu-like symptoms, your body's just accumulating crap. Because again, the flu also, the expert, the the runny nose, the cough with the phlegm that comes out, the diarrhea from the stomach virus. Again, this is a way that our body is getting rid of shit, literally, that does not belong in our body, right? Um, so when we don't have this fever response and these, acute illnesses, we accumulate a lot of toxins and a lot of pathology in our body. And again, our use of these, allopathic medicines that we decide to use really suppress our immune system, and we become unable to elicit these strong responses to remove these pathogens. Like, again, the fever is our ability to clean the junk that we've accumulated in our system. That's its job. Your body's going to, like I said, make more easy water, more infrared heat. It's amazing when you get a fever, okay? If you suppress a fever, this is going to cause deeper pathology in the body, because the body was the symptoms are the healing. That runny nose is the healing. That diarrhea is the healing. Again, when these things become chronic, then we need to address it as well with classical homeopathy and lifestyle changes. But these, or environmental changes, these are the healing though, these symptoms, okay? When you have a sore throat, that's the healing, okay? The symptoms are the healing, okay? So we don't want to suppress the healing, because then we stop the immune system from doing its job, and you just keep that junk in its trunk. You just keep the things that don't belong there anymore, right? We don't want to do that, okay? Don't stop the body from doing its job. Don't intervene. If you have to give something, children's ibuprofen is the least oppressive, but please contact me. I can help support you through fever. I'm a classical trained homeopath. I can help you support you with acutes and use homeopathic medicines that actually support the body in healing. These homeopathic medicines don't suppress your symptoms. They support the healing process, okay? You want to support the body, not suppress the body, okay? Now, homeopathy also, when used in a classical way and used for chronic health issues in a constitutional classical way, can strengthen the immune system again. It can bring the immune system out of this very suppressed state and have the body regain its strength enough to rehab fevers and acute illnesses. I can say this in my own healing journey, where I have not still gotten a fever yet. It's going to happen. I'm an older, deep a deep case to heal, but I have gotten acutes. So again, my body getting acutes shows that my immune system is getting stronger, okay? My children who are on homeopathic remedies as well, homeopathy, have gotten fevers since being on homeopathy and have gotten pretty strong acutes. The stronger the acute that your body gets, the better the fight that the body is able to mount and the better the healing, okay? So I've seen that happen. And I've also seen it in clients, of course, where they get acutes and they get fevers again. Really good signs, right? So there is, using homeopathic medicine can strengthen the vital force, can strengthen the immune system to bring it out of this suppressed state and help your body, get fevers again and get acute illnesses again, right? Fevers are how we reverse and prevent chronic disease. Lack of fevers for years leads to chronic buildup of pathology and chronic disease. If you haven't had a fever of 101.3 or higher in years, this is a sign that your current level of health is low and your body needs support, and your immune system is too overburdened with dealing with chronic diseases and in such a suppressed state that it doesn't have enough vital force and energy to actually bring it out of that state, okay? This is when I would recommend a classical homeopath. Also, if you haven't had an acute disease, acute in a long time, also like any kind of acutes like ear infection or strep throat or, stomach virus or flu, this is a sign also that your body is really super suppressed. So I would, hopefully your body can help your immune system get out of a suppressed state with homeopathy, which would be an amazing sign of health if you get a fever again or if you get acutes again, okay? I hope this sheds some light on the importance of fevers and why we need them, okay? Don't stop the healing process. This is a really good sign. It lets the body know it's healing, when you have this. Okay, this is the symptoms are the healing. Don't stop the symptoms. Don't get the cough medicine, and the running, the whatever people take. I don't even know anymore. Like there are other things we can do to support the body. Okay, and homeopathy is one. If you have not had a fever, you're like, this is resonating with me. I haven't had a fever in years. I haven't had, any acute conditions, but I have a lot of chronic disease going on right now. I have, hyperthyroid, Hashimoto's or autoimmunity or leaky gut or chronic diarrhea or chronic constipation or, cancer or, metabolic diseases or high blood pressure or any of these things, right? You have chronic disease instead of acute diseases. I am taking new homeopathic clients right now. So check out my website and check out where you can, check out my website and check out, my bookings and whatnot, and book in an initial in-depth homeopathic session. Okay, where I can really help get to the root causes of your diseases, and I can help strengthen your vital force, strengthen your immune system, get it out of a suppressed state, and help your body get fevers and acutes again. This would be an amazing sign of health and healing, and an amazing sign that your body is actually up leveling the level of health. In homeopathy, we learn about these levels of health, right? The most healthy people get acutes once a year and doesn't linger. And the least healthiest people live in chronic disease states where they never get any acutes anymore. Like it's not possible. Okay. There is a middle ground, of course, of people who, that can be supported as well. So I hope this video, like I said, shed some light on it. If you liked it, please like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more content like this. And also check out my other videos on homeopathy. And also you can, send me a question. Send me a question at contact@brightlightwellnesscoach.com. Like, can you actually support this condition with homeopathy? And I will let you know. Or you can book in a 15-minute clarity call and I will let you know whether or not this is something that I can support your body with health and healing on. Okay. So yeah, accepting new clients, and I look forward, to being your partner along your health journey and supporting your health and wellness. Okay. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon.